Hello and welcome! I'm delighted you've joined us today as we delve into the rewarding world of raised bed gardening. There's something truly special about nurturing a bountiful harvest from a patch you've created yourself. In this video, we'll explore the secrets to productive raised beds, guiding you step by step to cultivate a flourishing garden that brings joy for years to come. Whether you're an experienced gardener or just starting out, our aim is to equip you with the knowledge and confidence to transform your outdoor space into a haven of growth and flavor. Now, you might wonder, what's all the fuss about raised beds? Well, imagine this. You step out into your garden, and there it is, your own little plot, neatly contained, brimming with life, and readily accessible. Raised beds offer a haven for your plants, a controlled environment where you dictate the soil, the drainage, and the overall conditions. This means fewer weeds to battle, healthier plants, and a more abundant harvest. Firstly, just as we gravitate towards the warmth of the sun, so do our plants. Before you even think about soil or seedlings, take a good look at your garden. Where does the sun linger longest? Most vegetables thrive on a good 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. Consider the path of the sun throughout the seasons, too. You want a spot that's bathed in sunlight, not shrouded in shade, to ensure your plants flourish. Now, let's talk about garden design. Building a raised bed is a bit like laying the foundation for a house. It needs to be sturdy, well-drained, and built to last. You can choose from a variety of materials, from classic wood to more modern composite boards, brick or metal. Remember to consider the height. A good rule of thumb is to make it comfortable for you to reach in without straining. It's one of the joys of raised beds, saving your back. When it comes to size, there's no one-size-fits-all. Think about the space you have available and the types of plants you want to grow. A good starting point is a bed that's about 4 feet wide. This allows you to reach the center comfortably from both sides. As for length, well, that's up to you and your garden. Now, for the heart of the matter, the soil. Think of it as the lifeblood of your raised bed. You want a rich, fertile mix that's teeming with nutrients. A good loam-based compost is ideal, providing the perfect balance of drainage and moisture retention. And don't forget to add some organic matter. Well-rotted manure or compost will do wonders for your plants. Mulching. It's one of those simple yet incredibly effective gardening practices that can make all the difference. A good layer of mulch, whether it's bark chippings, straw, or even shredded leaves, acts like a protective blanket for your soil. It helps to retain moisture, suppress those pesky weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Now comes the exciting part, choosing what to grow. The beauty of raised beds is that they offer a controlled environment, making them suitable for a wide range of plants. Tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers are all excellent choices. So are herbs and flowers. However, some plants, like large spreading squashes or aggressive mint, might be better suited for a different spot in your garden. Imagine your raised bed as a stage, and each plant has a role to play. Companion planting is the art of combining plants that benefit each other. For example, planting basil alongside your tomatoes can enhance their flavor and deter pests. It's about creating a harmonious ecosystem where plants thrive together. Watering? It seems simple enough, but it's often where things can go awry. Overwatering can lead to root rot, while underwatering leaves your plants parched. The key is to water deeply and less frequently, allowing the water to penetrate the soil and reach the roots. As the seasons change, so does our garden. But with a little care and attention, your raised bed can continue to thrive year after year. Keep enriching the soil with organic matter, practice crop rotation to prevent soil depletion, and water mindfully. Remember, gardening is a journey, not a destination. And there you have it, the secrets to productive raised bed gardening. It's been a pleasure sharing these tips with you, and I hope they inspire you to create your own little haven of growth and flavor. Remember, gardening is a journey of learning, experimenting, and most importantly, enjoying the fruits of your labor. So go forth, get your hands dirty, and may your raised beds be ever bountiful. If you want to learn even more about the secrets of raised bed gardening, don't miss our article link in the description. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy gardening from organic homesteaders.